Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Mazda Connect system. Turn the key to ACC or push start once so the display wakes. Once done, open settings and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. This lets the unit talk to your phone and download maps or updates. Now pair your phone, enable Bluetooth on the phone, select the Mazda entry shown, and confirm the PIN. Do this first because pairing unlocks Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and app features you'll use next. You plug a quality USB cable into the car's USB port for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This gives full functionality and faster response. Next, grant the Mazda app permissions on your phone, contacts, location, and notifications, so voice commands, navigation, and messages work properly. Once connected, the infotainment system will prompt to switch to CarPlay or Android Auto. Accept that prompt. Make sure to use the on-screen selector or rotary commander to choose the mode. This step switches the interface to the phone's compatible layout. You finalize by testing audio and voice. Play music, ask for navigation, and use voice commands to confirm functions respond. If an app doesn't appear, make sure the phone is unlocked and the app allowed to run in background. Sometimes enabling location fixes missing maps. If the unit freezes or loses connection, reboot the head unit by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If persistent, disconnect the battery or run a software update from settings. That update often resolves compatibility and stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.